This collection features an option of translucent or non-translucent safety glass, held in place of modern decorative molding. Models from the Simplicita collection are available with aluminum strips and variation of natural wood veneers laid out vertically or horizontally on the face of the doors. It's well suited for those seeking glass solutions while maintaining a level of privacy. Adjustable frame with casings from 3/7/8 inch up to 8/7/8 inch has an elegant look and provides ease of installation. Rubber seal ensures silent door operation while extending the lifespan of the frame. Italian-made concealed hinges with 3D adjustability make door installation a breeze and provide a clean and pleasingly aesthetic design. Italian-manufactured magnetic latching lock with a wide selection of door handles and finishes lets you express your unique design by letting you choose the handle shape and color. Build the door according to your personal preference by using our online door configurator and get the order delivered to your home with ease.